Stand up.
Wow, we're starting off a little bit strong.
On September 21st,
They were
2023,
pulling her on the ground
airport
just
officers
now.
responded to a service call regarding a fight at a restaurant. Upon further investigation, it was revealed that the suspect had vandalized multiple businesses, spat on an individual, and struck an elderly woman with a closed
But
fist,
isn't this like
resulting in minor
the
laceration.
airport
Yeah.
when they have security there? Because she seemed like she did a lot.
And you hear this loud bang, and I guess a younger woman hit this elderly woman in the face with a phone. And the elderly woman's cut, she's bleeding down the side of her face. Then the woman went and spit in somebody else's face, and then a bunch of us were trying to contain her.
So
Went back down into Terminal
the
C.
individual hit two people,
Hit one person, spit in another woman's
hit
face.
one, spin the other. Okay.
And they've been
Okay. If okay.
so there's the elderly woman right there.
Hey, what's going on? Hey.
She has like all crazy
The lady who was assaulted.
Seemed like a lot of persons saw.
She spit on her and
But
then
she
knocked
was
her with
there.
a cell phone.
So sad it's a black person though. I feel some type of way, but we know.
Of course, she was like in the way, but you can turn this up.
Can we see the video?
She's screaming.
Can we see the video of the action?
Take the face of her cell phone and
Let's see what's up.
That's what hit her, but it's you were in the way. Look at that. So
can
right
barely
here
see it.
is when she walks up to her and hits her. That's where she hits her, and then she comes. No, she like
Wait, is
she
it-
punched her with her hand.
Hey, did she kick
No.
the lady?
Yeah, if you
I'm trying to see the phone. I'm trying to see the phone.
Charlie? Okay.
And then she looked like she was trying to find somewhere to hide because we were all like congregating. She could have gone past us and gone down D, but
Okay. Is that video something you're able to possibly send to us?
Of course. This is her. And then this is where she's got glasses on. And then you can see where she spits on this lady right here in the paint.
Spit.
And you can't tell right
That's
here.
crazy work.
This is because she was kind of in the way, but this is where she hits her. Right here. He's in, and then
where
right
she was
here. That's where she hit her.
Yeah.
And then she's bleeding on the corner there, but
that's where you would have been able to see it.
Okay.
So,
yeah, this is exactly where she hits her.
can you? How long's the video?
Very angry. She had knocked over a bunch of stuff on the desk there right before that.
Yeah.
So I feel like
Can you pull that video up?
Yeah.
And let me see if I can grab it.
Finally, we can see.
That's the beginning.
Here.
Can finally see some action.
I mean, that's like your own mama getting hit, you know? It's like,
Yeah.
it makes me sick. Yeah.
I was too. I would have gone after her, but I was too scared. She was smacking me in the face as well.
I thought she was coming towards me when she saw my phone.
I'm sorry.
I didn't go out the accent.
I don't see nothing.
That's it.
Yeah, she's
So-
definitely down that way.
So the
Check the bathrooms.
the couple screenshots. Can you grab a
Yeah,
couple of them?
does someone have ability to let our flight know that we're like late now?
We'll get you there.
Okay.
We're not going to hold you here. In fact, you got a card?
Yeah, she's still down there, so somebody's got to find. She is on something.
Oh, she would have hit anybody here.
Okay, so here.
Yeah.
So that's
Andrew
Andrew.Brennan, BRENNAN at
Got you.
flynashville.com.
Got it. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you. Want to go look?
Yep.
We're going to go look.
What direction?
Please make your way to gates B135.
Where?
Now, man, a lot of persons. Look at the things on the
Did you just
ground.
have somebody come through and knock all this off?
Well, yeah. We have a picture.
Was it a woman?
Did he say he's
Was it
black?
Yes.
He's not partaking. I'm with you.
Marima, I can show you, sir.
I just need to see a picture of what she looks like.
There she is.
Thank you. Control 18, she just knocked a bunch of stuff off at Air Essentials too. I'm still trying to make contact.
Ain't nothing worse than white people reporting
Officers
black
located
people.
her seated
We need to
in the
calm
doorway
down.
of one of the gates. Before approaching her, officers consulted with the victims to determine if they wished to press charges. When the victims declined, The officers proceeded to take her into custody on a disorderly conduct charge.
Give me go ahead and take her for disorderly. Alright, I'll take her for disorderly. Alright, ma'am.
Look at her. She looks so peaceful.
Stand up, please. Ma'am, stand up and put your hands behind your back.
She dropped herself on the ground. Why is she being so dramatic? She dropped herself on the ground.
Okay.
And she looks so peaceful too. What?
Do not resist.
Oh my
Put your
gosh.
hands behind your back. Do it now. Put your hands behind your back. Do it
Oh my gosh. I don't like
now.
this.
Hands behind your back.
Now,
Do it
give
now.
me your hands.
Officer Lincoln, was it the store at
Put
the
your hands behind your back. Do not resist.
or was it one
Do
down
not
here?
resist. Okay? Do not resist. Okay? Thank you.
Oh my gosh.
Stop.
Stop
Do not
resisting.
resist.
You're making this more difficult on yourself. Roll
She
over onto
ain't.
your stomach.
Do it now.
She
Put
looks
your hand
so
behind your
young.
back. Do it now. Okay?
Look at the guy in the corner. He's like, I don't care. I'm minding my business.
Resist. Being placed under arrest by this officer
American
for
people
disorderly
always
conduct.
amaze
Do you
me.
understand?
Stand up.
You want me to bring my car over here?
We may need that.
Yeah.
Stand up.
We're going to set you in this chair, okay?
Okay, come on. Okay. Okay.
To this point, she has not
She wants
said
to do
a
that.
word.
That's her thing, okay? It's an
Not
additional
a
charge.
word. And is it me or does she look like the girl in Matilda? Why is she laughing?
Hang
She
on,
looks
sit up
like
in
the
chair.
girl
Sit
in
up the chair. Come
Matilda.
on, stand up. Okay.
The little girl.
All right.
She had me be in the chair. Let me in the fucking chair,
What
bitch.
is happening
Yeah, I
here?
understand that. I understand that, okay? And you can relax,
Who's not relaxing?
okay? There's no need for pulling away. There's no need for
Who's
language,
pulling away?
okay?
You are.
I'm not playing games here.
I can sit the fuck up if I want to.
You can sit right here, just
Let
like
go
that.
of me.
Put your feet
No.
on the
Pedo.
ground. Okay.
I want me to sit like this?
If that's what you want to do.
Calm down.
I'm not sure. What are y'all waiting for?
A vehicle, since you don't want to walk.
Uh-uh.
I can sit the fuck up.
Where's your wallet at, ma'am?
Okay.
Where's your wallet at?
I don't have a wallet.
Okay.
Where's your ID at?
I don't have ID.
Okay. In the airport.
I magically appeared. Yeah.
That one.
Yeah. Thank you.
Magically appear in the airport. Okay.
Let's go.
Hear
Walk
me.
into a car.
She is not standing on her feet. No. She's like, you better carry me.
Come on.
No, you don't want to walk. You're right in the chair.
No, you don't want to walk. You're going to walk.
Oh, I'm gonna ride?
You going to walk now?
No, I want to ride. Y'all gonna show for me.
This is serious. I'm not supposed to be laughing.
Additional
but-
charge.
Hurry up.
She looks so innocent. Like, I don't understand. Oh my god. Oh my. OMG. Okay. They strapping her like a mad person. She is fighting them. Resisting.
Walking that way, but what do you think?
She seemed so calm before.
Y'all see this stuff? The mayo. The mayo. Come on, push me out.
Stop resisting.
Come on, push me out. That's right. That's right.
We got an officer strapped down.
That's right.
Stop
Where's
resisting.
this strap to?
Other side.
She's good. She's not gonna have that.
This
Okay,
is not
push
a
me
good
out.
look.
That would be very unwise.
Additional charge, resisting stop, halt, frisk.
This is so embarrassing.
Lead the way.
Did she spit?
Spitting.
Did she spit and it
count
touches her
disorderly.
shirt? That's so nasty.
Hey, we can take the elevator.
Why can't we go through our water?
We need to take the elevator. Alright. We need to take the elevator.
I can carry it, we can carry it.
She's spitting.
Oh,
At least they got her stuff.
you're making us do less work, actually.
Okay. Congratulations.
You mean to push it, Brendan?
So I'm being arrested for disorderly conduct.
Resisting officer, stop, halt, frisk.
So what does disorderly conduct mean? What does disorderly conduct mean?
Well, you seem to know everything, so look it up.
I don't know anything. It's funny.
Try to have a conversation with you. And be polite and be civil.
You ever will Brumfish.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're entitled to your opinion.
Thank you.
All right. What we're going to have you do is lean over the hood of this car. She's going to search you before you go in the patrol car. Do you have any questions?
I can't walk, so you have to figure it out. Yeah.
I don't want to drive her.
I don't want her to touch me. Can I have a guy do it? I don't want her to touch me.
Now resist.
How am I supposed to resist?
Stand up.
Anybody down, Mom, before you do it, please?
Search her
Why
around.
doesn't she calm down?
Wait, take my glasses off.
Do not resist.
I'm searching your person.
I don't want to break those. Those are 400.
Okay. Well, don't resist. Don't damage your glasses.
Y'all damaging them.
We'll roll you over. Get you up. Okay? Do not resist. Do not resist. Okay?
All right.
So
Okay,
bad.
we're going to help you sit up, and we're going to put you in the car.
She
Yeah,
is
we're going to put them right
not
on you as soon as we get you in the car.
standing.
Do not drag your feet. Walk to the car.
She's
Turn
not
around.
standing.
Okay? But
Hold on, wait. I need my glasses.
we're going to get you
We'll get your glasses
after you
in the
get in the car.
Put them on, baby.
Nope, we're not. We're getting you in your car.
We don't want to see you damage your glasses by your actions.
I don't damage myself.
Okay, good.
Thank you. Now can I have my glasses?
Sit back.
Go get them. Promise you that. Feet on the floor. Do not resist. Sit up.
Here I go.
Do not resist.
Nah, I'm not supposed to shut this up. I need my glasses. Come on, put them on.
They're like, listen, put on my glasses and put it
You
on
gotta go.
my...
Up. No.
There you go. Sit up straight. Watch yourself.
Thanks, Hannah.
Good job, buddy.
Guys, appreciate you.
I'll ride with you.
Okay. Appreciate you. Wait.
Did you get her handcuffs? Hey!
Everything okay?
You're.
Wow, y'all must really like me.
We might not be able to drag her out of the car. The hobble's in the front door.
She slipped her handcuffs.
Come on now. Now she's on the floor again.
Well, I was trying to be nice to you.
Stop resisting.
No one's resisting. No one's resisting. You guys just like to.
The other door cracked? I'm just going to drag her through like I did before.
One thing is,
14, so check your finger, 22.
okay, so if I take you out of this hobble so you can walk, are you going to walk for me?
I'm not.
I am so confused.
Control 12, check the signature tower.
Come on now.
I'm gonna buckle you here.
Huh?
I was just saying.
Now she's on the floor again. I don't know.
Keep in trouble. Can I not have my picture taken?
You have to.
I'm disabled.
Can you use your work phone?
Yeah.
Appreciate you.
Why y'all so mad?
What's up?
I said, why y'all so mad at me?
I'm not mad.
He's acting in a way. I don't know why he's acting.
The woman was charged with elder abuse, assaulting a first responder, resisting arrest, disorderly conduct.
So what we just saw is a video of Autumn Kathy, that is her name. She basically abused an elderly woman who was 81 years old during September 22, 2023. She was speaking to the lady, after which she had a phone in her hand and she punched the lady and started saying racial slurs, which is why they were like, racist woman being arrested. And as you can see, she was resisting arrest when the police came, and she was fake going limp so that they couldn't carry her away. So Autumn Kathy, which is her name, she went around the airport and she was destroying like various little shops there, Mexican shop, and saying racial stuff. She even said a few racial stuff to the police officer, which is why she was later charged for elderly abuse by the police that came and got her. Now, what is interesting about Autumn Kathy is that based on the way that she was behaving, you would think that she's on something, like she's intoxicated or something, but actually she was not. She was doing it this pure out of herself, that was her naturally. And she's actually born in 1997, and as I said, she did get charged for elderly adult abuse because it was an 81-year-old woman. And currently, according to court documents, she's given probation of a year unsupervised. So hopefully Autumn Kathy does not repeat these things and she actually gets help, because the way that she was behaving, it does not look good. Like, they were treating her like a mad patient. They had her wrapped up in the wheelchair like a crazy person. No, that is crazy.